Glider Guider 1 here. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a new Jagwing GTS. So the GTS is the one on top there. S stands for Staggertooth. So you'll notice how half the points on this glider are bent up, the other half are bent down, versus the standard Jagwing GT closer to the bottom of the screen here. So the advantage of the staggered points is, again, it provides a little extra lift. It slows the glider down even more. But now when you're looking at these two gliders on the cardboard, you'll notice another thing, that top glider is a lot more see-through. That's because it's the same Time Warp Asia foam, incredibly light material, but sliced even thinner. This one, the standard model, is sliced with a hot wire. This one here is sliced with a deli slicer, which can get the foam down to 1/100th of an inch, sometimes even less. Again, extremely light material. So let me pick up the standard GT here, and I'll just kind of move it. You can see, okay, it flops around a little bit, but reasonably stiff, rigid for flying purposes. But now we pick up this one, you'll notice a lot flimsier and floppier. So again, that's just how thin that foam is. This glider flies incredibly slow, this GTS model here, and we're going to demonstrate it. So with that said, we'll get it set up. It's angled up because of the downturned nose, so it should lift right off the board. So just like so. So you can see just how slow it is. We're going under 1 mile per hour, with occasional excursions just above 1 mile an hour due to turbulence. And you can see no drama whatsoever, just flying it around the house. It turns really nice. It's very slow and steady. So we'll get it over here into an area with a little extra light. Now you notice it is hitting some turbulence there, some of which that's probably what I generated when we went back the other way earlier. Now we're going to try to slow it down right on the edge of stall. So you'll see it stall just a little bit. Again, the stalls with this Jagwing design are very, very gentle. The Staggertooth layout actually improves on that even more. It makes the stall even softer than it normally is, and it slows down the stall speed. Not only that, for you aerodynamicists out there, it moves back the center of pressure, so in layman's terms that means less nose weight needed. So again, helping to slow it down. So right around 1 mile an hour now. Again, it's a little more turbulent, plus I'm not flying it right on the verge of stall. We're going just a hair faster. And now, back when you saw this right next to the standard GT, you may wonder, how can it be that much lighter? The nose weights look almost the same. Well, I'll tell you this, that other plane has something like 4 layers of tape and paper hanging off the nose, whereas this is only the piece of Scotch tape and a single layer of paper. So this plane is half the weight, if that, when compared to the other one. So extremely light. So we'll just get it set up to land on the table here. Alright, we're gonna actually, let's land on the counter. That'll be a better landing spot. So there you have it, a flight of the Jagwing GTS, one of my newest glider designs. Glider Guider 1 signing out.